Hey everyone, welcome back. So, picture this. You're on vacation. You walk into a cute little cafe. You're hungry, you're thirsty, but then you panic. What do you say? How do you order? Today we are going to fix that. We are not just learning words. We're learning how to talk in a cafe. We'll practice real conversations so you feel confident and natural. Ready? Let's go. First, you walk up to the counter. The person working there, we call them the barista, will say something to welcome you. Here are three common things they might say. Hi there, what can I get for you? That's the most common one. Hey, what would you like? Simple and friendly. Good morning, ready to order? Easy, right? Now, here is a pro tip. You don't need a long sentence to reply. You can just smile, make eye contact and say, "Hi, yes please." Or, "Hi, I'm ready, thanks." That's your first step, just acknowledge them. Now, let's learn how to actually order. In English, we use something called functional language. That just means phrases that do something, like order, ask a question, or change your mind. Let's learn four key functions you'll use in a cafe. Function 1. Making a choice. When you know exactly what you want, use these. I'll go with a cappuccino. I'll have a green tea, please. These sounds natural and confident. Function 2. Asking for a recommendation. But what if you don't know what to choose? That's totally normal, just ask. What would you recommend? What's popular here? What's good? These are great questions. Baristas love helping you decide. For example, I'm not sure. What would you recommend? Function 3. Asking about ingredients. Maybe you don't eat certain things, or you're just curious. Here is how to ask. Does this have sugar? Is this gluten-free? What's in this sandwich? For example, does the iced coffee have sugar already, or can I add it myself? Function 4. Changing your mind. This is a super useful one. Maybe you order something, then you see a cake that looks amazing. You can change your mind. How can you express this? Actually, can I change that? On second thought, I'll have the chocolate cake instead. Wait, scratch that. I'll do the blueberry muffin. Scratch that is a casual way to say, forget what I just said. Okay, let's put this all together. I'm going to show you three real cafe conversations. Watch how the phrases work together. Conversation 1. You know what you want. Hi, what can I get for you? Hi, I'll have a latte, please. Sure, hot or iced? Hot, please. Anything else? Actually, yeah, on second thought, I'll grab a cookie too, the chocolate chip one. Perfect, coming right up. Conversation 2. You want a recommendation. Hey there, what would you like? I'm not sure. What's popular here? Our honey lavender latte is really popular, or the chai tea. Ooh, the honey lavender latte sounds interesting. I'll go with that. Can I have that iced? Absolutely. Great, and what would you recommend for food? Something not too heavy. The avocado toast is light and really good. Perfect. I'll do that too. Thanks. Conversation 3. You have questions. Good morning. Ready to order? Almost. Quick question. Does the latte have added sugar? It does have a little bit of sweetener, but we can do it unsweetened if you prefer. Yes, please. Unsweetened would be great. Sure thing. Anything else? And is the oatmeal dairy-free? It's made with water, so yes, it's dairy-free, but we have oat milk if you want to add some. Perfect. I'll have the latte and the oatmeal. Thanks so much. Alright, now it's your turn. I'm going to give you three scenarios. Pause the video after each one and say your answer out loud. Ready? Scenario 1. Hi there, what can I get for you? Pause now and say your order. How did you do? You could have said, "Hi, I'll have a black coffee. Actually, can I add a blueberry muffin too? Thanks." Nice job. Scenario 2. Hey, what would you like today? Pause and try it. Great. You might have said, I'm not sure. What would you recommend? Then, after the barista answers, "Okay, I'll go with that, thanks." Perfect. Scenario 3. Good morning, ready to order? Last one. Pause and give it a try. Nice work. You could have said, "Quick question, does the sandwich have cheese?" If the barista says yes, you can say, "Okay, actually, I'll just have the soup instead, thanks." Let's quickly review what we learned today. We learned how to order confidently. I'll go with. I'll have. Ask for help. What would you recommend? Ask questions. Does this have? Is this? Change your mind. Actually, on second thought, scratch that. Now, here is your final challenge. I want you to put it all together. Imagine this. You walk into a cafe. You are not sure what to drink. You see a sandwich, but you want to know what's in it. Then you change your mind and order a salad instead. Pause the video and say the whole conversation out loud. Pretend I'm the barista. I hope you did it without any problems. Learning a language is about more than memorizing words. It's about knowing what to say when you are in the moment. And now you're ready. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what's your favorite thing to order at a cafe. I'd love to know. Thanks for practicing with me. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!